Hello students again into the class of Bright Educational Classes. In today's class we are going to cover the topic of class 10th history CBSE German unification. This German unification generally comes into 5 marks into your board examination. So it is very much important to fix the point into your brain, and the point will be very much shorter and clear to you so that you will be able to understand and will be able to write in a proper way if you are going to fix it properly into your brain. All right, so let's start. Point number 1, I'm just giving you the point. So here you may write that first you have to listen first, that in the beginning of 19th century what happens with Germany, that Germany was not unified country. Okay, so it was very hard to unify it, and it was again the long process in order to unify it. It was so much complicated actually. So you may begin the point from here that Germany was divided into 39 states. Germany was divided into 39 states. Okay, and each state had autocratic autocratic autocratic, those who is having the complete authority, autocratic ruler. Okay, then you may go through the next point, that it was difficult to challenge. I may use the another vocabulary, but to make you understand, to make it clear, shorter, proper, I am using the easy vocabulary so that it will be fixed into your brain. It was difficult to challenge the rulers. Rulers or kings, whatsoever comes into your mind, write down. And the next point, if you will be writing the 5 points or 6 points, you will be getting the marks. There is no problem, but the point should not be only of one line. Try to write at least 2 to 3 lines each point. Okay, so it should be little larger because you are grown up children now. Now the next point, you may write that, yes, if you remember the role of Otto von Bismarck. Do you know who was Otto von Bismarck? Otto von Bismarck is the name of the character. So, Otto von Bismarck played an important role in the unification of Germany. So, he was the chief minister of Otto von Bismarck. You may write like comma, the chief minister of Prussia. Was the architect, was the real real architect of German unification. Okay, and this was also known for Otto von Bismarck was also known for, you may write that, he was also known for blood and iron theory. Blood and, it is blood and iron policy. Okay, how many points I have written? One, two, three, four. Okay, I'm giving you more points, but if you will be having the ability to learn all the points, it will be good for you. If you, yeah, if you are having the good writing speed, so you may add the points. If no, so at least 5 points you have to fix into your brain. I'll say that at least fix the 7 points, so that when you will be reaching into the board examination, it automatically happens that some points we used to forget. It is a human brain. Okay, so you have to learn little more points. If anything is going to be false, so at least 5 points should be there with you. So extra material we need. Now here we are going to write about that the three wars over 7 years. Okay, 3 wars over 7 years. With whom? With Austria, Denmark, and France. Austria, Denmark, and France. Ended up in Prussian victory. Ended up in Prussian victory. Then the next point you may write. In this way, the process of sorry the process of unification the process of unification got fulfilled. Unification got fulfilled. Okay, I'm giving you one more point. You may write that William first. I may exaggerate the point, but it to make it shorter, I am writing little. So William first was proclaimed. Was, you may write announced also, but proclaimed is a good vocabulary, so you may use the heavy vocabulary. Proclaimed the German emperor. Emperor means king. Okay, so you may use the word king if you wish to use the word king, so you may use that, there is no problem. But emperor, if you will be using, so it will again highlight your copy. So German emperor in a ceremony held at Versailles on 1871. German emperor, you may write like this, that in 1871 to make it shorter. Okay, and this ceremony had taken place in Versailles in the presence of representatives and also the real architect of German unification, Otto von Bismarck. All right, so these are the points which you have to go through. Let's see how many points I have given you. This is first point, second point, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven. 7 points I have given you. These are all so easy. These are also easy. If you are going to learn these points, it is going to help a lot into your board examination. All right, see students, if you are having any doubt, write down into the comment. If you want to cover any other topic, have any doubt in any topic, because this is your board examination of class 10th, if you will share your problem, then only it is going to be clear. it is going to be short out. So I request you to write your problems into the comments. Accordingly, I will be making the separate video for that. All right, so I'll be waiting for that. See you all to the next class. Till then, goodbye.